Alright, welcome back to another video of Davian's phone collection. Today we are going to be doing the ringtones and sounds on the Pantech Breakout that I first got last month. As you can see, the update to that phone is that I can finally fully use it since I've removed the SIM card from the phone. And it's fully usable. I also downloaded all the other games. These are the 4 Angry Birds games that I downloaded here. If the camera will focus. It partially focused, but I downloaded these 5 Angry Birds games. Now as we go to settings here and go to sound here. Go to phone ringtones, and we got those ringtones here. Let's play all those ringtones we have here. Started with Beat Plucker, going all the way to World. And it also has the VZW Airwaves, which the Samsung Convoy 4 has. As you can see right here. I'm going to get more Verizon phones very soon, so stay tuned for that. Here it is. I will also be doing the ringtones that are the alarms if it has different type of ringtones. This friendly ghost ringtone is the one on the Blue View Mega, which I do not have in my collection yet. It does have a very good speaker, as you can see here. This phone is also very powerful, but it has a low quality camera. And it runs old versions of Android. Stay tuned for the Airwaves ringtone from Verizon. And as I tell you before, Verizon does not activate the decade-old phones anymore. This is going to be a long video here. The phone I will be getting soon is the Samsung Brightside from Verizon. Ringtone restart. If it gets even longer, over 14 or 15 minutes, it's going to be split into parts. We're going to skip this ringtone to the other one. This is rock and roll. Next after Very Alarm is the VZW Airwaves. Then the last ringtone is World. Here are the notification ringtones. Those are the same ringtones as the RCA Voyager 3 that I used to have. Then we got some alarm ringtones. Now that's going to do with me with the ringtones for the Pantech Breakout. This is Davian's phone collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you again in my next video.